Having trouble turning off your Samsung TV's voice assistant? Here are 6 effective methods to fix this issue. Step 1. Use the remote. In this method, we'll use the TV remote. Press the home button, navigate to Settings, select General, then Accessibility. Finally, turn off Voice Guide. Step 2. Voice command. Try turning it off using voice commands. Hold down the microphone button on your remote and say, "Turn off voice assistant." Step 3. TV settings menu. Go to the Settings menu again, but this time select Smart Features, then disable Voice Recognition. This should stop the voice assistant from activating. Step 4. Accessibility shortcut. Use the accessibility shortcut. Quickly press the volume button 3 times to open the accessibility menu. From there, turn off Voice Guide. Step 5. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, select Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and finally choose Reset. Be aware that this will reset all settings to their defaults. Step 6. Software update. Ensure your TV's software is up to date. Sometimes, outdated software can cause issues. Go to Settings, select Support, then Software Update, and choose Update Now.